Weather message. For the following counties in Ohio, Morgan and Perry, the National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Meigs County in southeastern Ohio, Perry County in southeastern Ohio, northern Jackson County in southeastern Ohio, western Morgan County in southeastern Ohio, western Athens County in southeastern Ohio, Benton County in southeastern Ohio, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Thornport to 6 miles northwest of Waverly, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Athens, Wellston, Nelsonville, New Lexington, Gloucester, McConnellsville, MacArthur, Somerset, Albany, Shawnee, Lake Hope State Park, Perry State Forest, Thornport, Crooksville, Chauncey, Thornville, Hamden, Junction City, New Strayetsville, and Malta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX. Weather message. Severe thunderstorm watch number 247 remains in effect until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Carroll, Coshocton, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Perry, Tuscarawas, and Washington, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, Ohio, Pleasant, and Wetzel, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Greene and Washington. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Nearshore forecast. For the following nearshore location, Conneaut, Ohio to Ripley.